Once more, I'm at this dreadful place.
Guys, I'm gonna auntie. Cute one. Fat shoes.
Well, today we have macroeconomics and we believe that we're gonna pass. Right, boys, mom? I'm trying to my blouse.
You know, they name the Keisha.
Yeah, everybody knows my name, the Keisha. Guys, so no one say the Keisha, my name.
Could have vlog him about.
Yes, guys.
So I have the patience to do the editing part. I can do the vlogging and somebody else edit, no problem. I love chat.
You love show people things.
Especially when I chat to myself, I love chat to
Tell her
myself.
to start a channel, guys.
Time for
What that name?
I don't know. Life as a single mom with 2 boys.
Aww.
That drives me crazy and I want to sell them up.
Jesus Christ.
Sell them. Okay, I go give them the go.
I crimped the ear because I plait it up. I plait it up from when? When was the last time I went to school? Friday? Yeah, plait it up. Comb it out, plait it up, and pull it out this morning. And it feels a bit lighter. You guys know that it should have curls and straightening, but you know a girl don't maintain things, so yeah.
So you carry?
Oh, show them my outfit.
So you carry black jacket?
No, if you sit down and come on and don't take my bottom. The combat are big.
Which part today?
Yes, so this is the
Girl, I'm shape doing here wearing a dress there.
I belly too. So when I put back this camera, I don't want anything to
The burger today?
stain up my.
The Keisha? I will get the Keisha.
Yeah. Oh yes. Look, show them. It's from Itaragad.
Yeah.
It's from Hotshot 876. Yes. So you can go and get yours. You know. Okay, come girl. We're late. We're late for our breakfast. You hear this? My wife will buy my breakfast. Actually, people, we believe. I'm just kidding. She's not my wife. I'm not married, and we're not that type. We are straight. Yeah, stop. Actually, we need to stop. Even the $500. Everybody might ask for $500. It's like a habit.
No, $500 F.
Road.
It's true to say you might get a $500 F.
Yes. Good girl, I thought today.
Sure. Where the clothes often?
I've never seen it. You take no seat. No. Yeah man, it's kind of chilly. Yeah, so we're going back to the same restaurants today.
Broke pocket restaurant.
And a broke pocket restaurant today. A money restaurant.
Cheapest.
You know how much for patty? How much for patty? Remember when you could have buy a patty for $50? Hey?
Then me just buy patty and juice and tell me how much.
So,
No.
patty expensive, yeah. Oh, patty I like box lunch. And it's not even full belly.
No, say, because you buy juice. Box lunch for $500 no, but it's not easy.
Yeah, but you just can't say that because one look of patty and it's not full your belly, just drop in your belly. For $300?
It pants pin on my foot.
Lord have mercy, too much information.
Nah, my pants always have belly, but the one you hope in it.
So, yeah. I need to get the thing out of the camera. As the tripod is stuck up in the part where I can't hold. I don't know if you like it.
Go back, look. You move faster than me, man.
Yeah. Can you want to go hold this? So,
I don't remember.
this girl already
First. I'm for the record.
You can go and talk to them.
Run the key. I don't remember if I locked the car. Ever have that feeling yet? When you cook and you go somewhere and you try to remember if you turn off the gas. Yes, that's the feeling I'm having now. I feel like I'm lucky, you know. I feel like I'm lucky. Oh, you're zooming, man. You say thank you, Holy Spirit. You see when I get that instinct, if I just follow the instinct, I don't know why I just feel like I never locked the car a while ago. Oh my God. Never lock. One feeling just come over me, you know, I say, I lock the car. Good girl, can I run it now? Watch it.
I can't believe I needed a check off you.
You need a check off you? What are you?
I made it a check off you.
But look how long you're run, you must tired if you're not exercise. You mean, you know, if you zoom in, I zoom in for you down this way.
All you have to do, I go, so.
Anytime a man tell me, say, him in there mess up a place.
Your son?
Check. And when I'm going to check, him a mess up a place.
Say, man, just tell her just now, say, no. Lock.
Yeah. Anytime somebody just come to me, man, and the Holy Spirit can help me, somebody just move to it.
Yeah. Alright. All body.
They always say, if you plan to go somewhere, and as you wake up, something happen, don't go.
So you said Burger King today?
Hello.
Yeah.
And then we got my put more.
Yeah.
I need to buy my shoes. With no money. Want to go back to the days where we don't use money. Cause the reason
you did buy them days, eh?
No.
Oh, so you go back?
You know, like me, want to go back to the...
You wish it was still today.
Yes. When I exchange, like coal.
Anything of value.
Anything of value. That's the reason why.
So you can't exchange the picnic them.
That's the reason why they create money, because some people have cow and
people want to give them
chicken.
Blood.
Cheese patty wasn't ready.
Yeah. I don't know why you take so long.
And then as she come out with the cheese patty, one girl from the back. Cheese! And to the last cheese.
So where juice?
You want me to root you sometimes?
Yes. What I don't like about their cheese patty is, well, when it hot, it always melts and go down to the bottom.
And I have to eat it hot.
I like when it hot. I got my favorite. I've been craving. See them people are dirty.
You must see a breed. When I go back on the Burger King, let's run it for.
Yeah. Young miss, do I know you?
No, wait, are you coming there to chat to me?
Well, I don't talk to you. Yes, I have to put some kind of seat. Like dirty. Burger King seat don't dirty. So we have to try not getting none. So see what I got. Number one with the apple pie. Number one combo.
Where buy apple pie for?
For myself. That me say you're not getting none.
No, I like apple pie. Did you buy Hershey pie?
So what you asking?
When you buy Hershey pie, I'm gonna take your friend.
I would fight. I'm gonna eat my burger here.
Don't have milkshakes.
Yes, them have milkshakes.
Yeah, I'm having milkshake when we got fries. When we got the ice cream, you know the ice cream here?
Oh.
Man, come from the man, keep myself on you.
Where the promise for? We're not getting none. You know what to do with that? You too little? So what you have to do with it? Yes, so I mind smutty she say too little and manga. Your ears. What? Wait, that outside of here? More.
Now me ask me.
Bad man. I'm not laugh. I'm not laughing, it's no funny. I'll try. Apple pie drop, guys. Bad man.
Me not even see you.
Never near me same way.
Me not even see you in America.
Bad man.
Because show off, yeah, show off. That's why.
No, come here, record it.
Yeah, show off.
Bad man, you know, guys.
I'm bad man, you want to say. Me not like NTS bad.
Bad man.
If it was Ursha family, that's what we're
If I'm dead, that's why. I'll never eat it.
you know why you're sitting? But you gotta take show off this, that's why it happened.
Then, no pickle in this. So I want to go on your son. What is it, the pickle? What is wrong with your children? What are they for buy burger when them shot? Where the pickle there?
And the thing is that when they shot this in there,
Tell you. Never have the pie now. Guys, in my day.
No one got dirty pie. I show off, show off.
Dirty pie? No one pickle.
Dirty
You can get the top
job.
piece.
No one,
You can get the top piece because the top piece touch the ground.
me no one.
I cut it off. Bottom part no get no drop. If I die, I need apple pie. What you got?
What kind of flavor? The burger only have one option.
No, you have multiple options.
The burger. Come on, have a plate.
That's nice today. Maybe I can't taste Burger King fries first.
No, I won't buy no.
May I taste the chicken?
No.
That's what you mean, guys?
Me no mean.
That's what you mean,
But
yeah?
just rank and face and love eggs up herself.
I'm not I can buy it next week. Wednesday.
But me not get no burger. I'm going to get some business.
I drop me there next with him. No one know. She eat like some baby. Look at her mouth. Like this. Oh God.
I'm back.
Thank you.
Me not give my chicken by piece.
Oh God. She awful. Something wrong. Ah! Ah! Hot! What?
Sorry, I'm on the radio. That's it, but
It's and laugh. So. Alright, but no! I found the fart. May I put on the camera? No, I'm gonna put on the camera.
no,
The apple pie drop,
I feel them
my fries drop. At this, the camera. May I pause the video?
apple pie job. Me not care no me. Apple pie no come like apple pie. I'm sure I blame me sir apple pie job.
I can't eat with one hand.
No,
Guys?
fries drop. Me eat my food, my fries drop. You might blame me subscribers.
We're gonna pause the video. Pause, I can't manage. What gonna do? We'll leave on my fries so when I forget back. Have a look again. Watch you not taking look at time. See my eating. Yes, yeah. friend? I left food for him. I'm not chubby here. You know, eat fries. The fries not even taste good today either. Hello, you don't eat fries? Yeah, it must have dropped for him. That's why it dropped. I mean, it's not bad. At first it was like annoying and then you just get used to it. You just do it rough, you know? Normally I used to time myself and say I can done in an hour, I done more than an hour. Watch him eat fast though. Him belly full, he tired of fries now. He might look at me and say, nothing else? Give the cat that. He tired of fries now.
You don't give me a burger?
They done.
So why am I going to give my chicken?
Be a good Samaritan.
The cat belly full, more full than one.
You piece of your burger now?
No. Outside there.
What you gonna look? He must say anything else but fries? That's look he giving. What you mean, Carl? So wait, has someone chicken you again?
Not two piece chicken full?
Oh, you're all full. So she break her outside again. Watch out! You want beg your fees?
And dog them that near me.
I know they might like each other. Can me have dog and puss. When they grow together, then
my dog don't go with pussy and kill them.
Him not grow with pussy. He normally back over them until he get used to them.
My dog don't get used to no pussy. They have kill a pigeon. Then catch it.
I'm ready. You take it too long.
Yeah, your food.
What?
Your food never that show you that sit on yourself.
What's say? Oh God. So our next cat here.
You look like you're pregnant, man.
A man puss.
A man puss?
You see him I tell you? You're bright. Hey, she bright you see? Tell her again. You might talk. Idiot phone.
You know, if you're somebody when I'm not, you love disrespect.
Why?
Where can the phone idiot from?
Because it's idiotic. It can't record video and it can't edit. What's the sense of this?
Then
When you go on any app, it shut off.
buy a new one. And stop criticizing it. You still eat your half for now. You know, so I can't drive in my shoes.
Really? I need a driver then.
I'm sorry, I'm coming to never feel me. Never feel the steer. Sitting down and eat my food. I have to be one with my car. Now I'm on the shoes, I'm gonna feel it like that. It's full.
We're going to Pines.
Liquid with it in there.
And it smell like green bush.
I said I was going to
No, me what that?
I'm gonna say cause.
Strong man. Why the exam day? One more lick for 6.
Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
You put the teeth it on, babe. My teeth it back on.
I say, you don't know for teeth.
I say your teeth in there.
Yeah,
Jesus.
Yeah.
I'm gonna oil and with a catch.
Miss Jen act if he must be thief. Yes, Miss Jen. French still a thief. Still here committing criminal activity.
What we say we are go? What parents say?
That's side
That's how
there.
they-
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello. Your size so over here, so.
Oh. Let me see here.
8.5. Where? 8.5. Watch how them have no shoes. Them are never there when we come like. Never there. I blow this. So. Black. And navy blue. And them have sales same way. I love them shoes, see? Yes. You want to purchase it, they're going to be like this item here. So? Purchase 2 and get 1 free. Actual?
You need another box.
What? I didn't know this. Oh, purchase 1 get 1 free, them smart.
When I say the cheaper one, you get free, though.
Yeah.
So I have to know what I have to cost. What's that smell here?
Yeah, you all Tony idiot.
Me? How long we have this before?
I know we have it today. I can't tell you when it ended.
That's right.
Shoes to my babies.
The 2 of them. All bag you can buy and get it free, so you know, it's bag 2.99.
You have to buy them, so why them pay full of talk.
You know when they get a bag?
Thank you.
Welcome.
How are you get
Doubt it.
The cheaper one.
Not you?
You can me try me now.
My battery just died, so I borrowed her phone, which she never approved of, and we're gonna go and get some ice cream, and I'm gonna see if I can get some iced coffee. So just stay tuned. We're about to close this video. I'm trying with the card.
You know me not like you.
Come, child, cause I need to go home to my baby.
You got love that? You know what I'm saying about that today?
Very funny.
Look at that video. Hey, that's what it's from. I made a rest go. Which one?
Medaris.
You have to know what made a rest day.
Yeah, there. Whatever.
Made a rest that whatever. Made a rest close to the duff card.
Come and take elevator. Go have me come. Hello. Come, quick.
When I step off, you don't press one.
I'm supposed to take the elevator here now. Oh my god. We made it. This is the place? Yeah. That one they sell the Vanos ice cream.
So this open?
Yeah. So when me see
So this is my last day of exam. You have Wednesday. So you can do that.
supermarket next stop, and then we go yard, right? Okay. Christmas are coming, mommy, mama. Coming. And they look nice. Them cheesecake are cheapy. Eh? $110? Oh, wow. Liquid No, this no, you say cream. Oh, no, but this creamy. Well, you know the thick one there. I can't use the same way, but I thick one that you want. Iced coffee. This is the actual iced coffee, I think. How much sweet? 1,000 at my backside. I'm gonna make my iced coffee, guys, when I reach home. Wednesday. I'm not making nothing for you. I love your belly.
What's coming here for?
I don't know. What are these? Pickles? If me drop them, me have to pay a fee to the butter. What kind of something that? Anyways, come here, pick the things that come in here for. You realize that is this we needed the syrup and not the creamer because I wanted it to be thick. So I changed it. This alone I come in a supermarket finally. I just spent $2,998 for 4 local items. The only reason why is because the iced coffee, if you buy it, is 1,005, and that's a 2 times, and we can get more than 2 times.
2 times the iced coffee service?
No, I pay 1,005, so 2 times the money when I pay for this, at 2 times that, right? And we can get more than 2 times drink out of it.
You buy other stuff, that's why you come up with that.
I just see cheesecake where $710 and the local biscuit where $60.
That's $1,000.
Yeah. So yeah, true, you have to talk still. Yeah. This is the end of today's vlog. I am tired. Time to go home.
I'm just poop.
You man in your skirt. No girl, you can't. Guys, this not real. This not real at all.
Ice cream.
Alright.
You know how me I put never think until me buy the ice cream?
Alright guys, so as I'm saying, this is the end of the video.
Ice cream closet, man.
Blame it on the ice cream. And we'll see you all another time.
Next week Wednesday.
Peace, my
She
nigga.
don't want me carry next week Wednesday, but she gonna take taxi. But she don't want bother me.
I like the look of free drives.
But she don't want bother me. But I mean, after.
Yeah, she love me, see?
Yes,
Anyways.
when you meet real persons, good persons, you're not bothering. You get me?
Yeah. You want a piece of my cheesecake, though?
No?
You want a piece? How about one? Why not pop again?
No.